Hey guys and gals, I'm going to show you how to make a utility ATV that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin with a 2x4 plate, flip it over, take a pair of 2x2 modified plate with bearing. We're going to place these to where they're hanging over on both ends of our 2x4 plate. We're going to flip it over. On the left hand side, a 1x2 plate with slide. We're going to skip a set of studs and place a 2x2 modified plate with 2 studs. Next, take an upwards 1x2 by 1x2 angular plate. I'm going to place a set of transparent yellow studs for headlights on the front. Then I'm just going to set this in the 1x2 opening. Then take a downwards 1x2 by 1x2 angular plate. I'm going to set a set of transparent red studs for rear lights. I'll place this right in this opening. Then I want to lock this together with a 2x4 plate. And while we're here, I'm going to set down a 2x3 plate right on top. Back on the left hand side, a modified 2x2 plate with mud guards. Place that right here next to our headlights. And in this area, a 1x2 jumper plate, a modified 1x1 plate with top holder, and a 1x2 by 2/3 slope. Set that right in there for the front. Back on the right, I'm going to place a pair of 2x3 plates. This is going to be our little cargo bed. And right in the center, on the right hand side, a 2x2 jumper plate. I want to add some sides to my cargo area, so I'm going to start off with a 1x2x1 wall element, followed by a 1x1x1 corner wall element. Then we're going to proceed on with a 1x2x1 wall element, a 1x1 corner wall element, and a 1x2x1 wall element to finish up the cargo area. And we almost forgot about the handlebars. I'm going to take one of this set of handlebars to set that right in the plate with top holder. And for tires, a wide tire and a wide rim. We're going to set the rim inside the tire. We're going to make 4 of these. I'm going to place these on our utility ATV. To finish up the vehicle.